On September 3, 2025, a grand military parade was held in Beijing's Tiananmen Square. It marked the 80th anniversary of the victory in the Chinese People's War of Resistance against Japanese aggression and the World Anti-Fascist War. The parade began at 9 a.m. and lasted about 70 minutes. Tiananmen Square and Chang'an Avenue became a magnificent stage, with 45 formations on display. The ceremony opened with helicopter echelons carrying the national flag, symbolizing prosperity and strength. Foot formations showed both history and modernity veteran units from the wartime era, alongside new units built under the modern force structure. Militia contingents from historic revolutionary bases marched proudly, and battle flag formations honored the heroes who sacrificed their lives. Equipment formations were arranged in combat order. They covered land forces, naval power, air defense, missile defense, information warfare, unmanned systems, logistics, and strategic strike units. Many weapons were shown to the public for the first time, all domestically developed, highlighting technological progress. The aerial groups included early warning aircraft, fighter jets, bombers, and transport planes. Together, they showcase the leap in China's air combat capability. This parade is the first since China entered its new stage of modernization. It is also a new display of the People's Army on the road toward its centennial. The September 3rd parade is more than a military review. It is a solemn tribute to history and a strong call for peace. Victory reminds us, peace is hard-won. Let us remember history, cherish peace, and build a brighter future together.